out the top. And I guess we'll find out if it's plug and play or if modifications have to be involved here. Looks like it's pretty good so far. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna work. Got it all tightened down. Let's see if it's gonna close nice or not. Might be an issue. Hold on, let's drop it and see. Nope, that's fine. Yeah, I like it so much more than the one it came with. I know it's not the correct one for it, but this is the one it came with. The other one's just more colorful, and I don't know, I just like it better. We've got our glove box repair. Still going strong here. Nice and tight. We've got our cool hood ornament. So the window guides on this took me a while to figure out, but I figured out the back ones finally. See, it works now. So I'll show you the other one and how it goes in. We go down with the window. You can see that when it goes up, obviously it's bound, it doesn't go up. So I ordered this box of them on eBay. It's like 15 of them in here. Oh, there's a broken one. Didn't even know that was still on there. Anyway, so I just took it, little groove, point on the inside, so it'll go like this. Just like that, and then snap it in, and then I just pushed it in there. It snapped in. Let's see if it works. Alright, so I put the guide on this window and it goes down, but then when I go up, it kind of binds. Oh, it went up all the way that time. It seems like it's slowly getting better the more I go. See, that time it bound up. If I go down a little bit, and now it's not moving at all. There we go. Yeah. See, the other one works perfectly now. Okay. Well, it's working. Windows I haven't really figured out yet. That one needs the regulator. I think the tape is broken, so we'll have to work on that. That one's perfect, and this one, of course, is and that doesn't want to go up at all. Well, I'll have to look into that some more. But those are the correct guides. So we'll just have to go from there. Okay, here's something interesting. So I just hit the button on the door. And it goes all the way up with the door button. If I use the driver door button, it stops. Let me finish it with the passenger. I mean, its own button. And it goes. Very interesting. It's like it's not getting enough signal from the other door or something. I'm not really sure. But we'll figure it out. Maybe something's got to be lubricated or something else needs to be tweaked. But so it's the next day. I figured I'd try some silicone spray. Get this window moving a little better. We'll see. Oh, it stopped. Maybe the motor overheated. Might have been going a little better. I don't know. I'll have to play with it. There it goes down again. I just really want it to work with the front window switches on. That's the goal. Well, that's a win. Call that a win. Goes up all the way now. So, alright, so it's been a whole day pretty much for the windows here. The back one now goes down and up a lot better, and it works with the front switches. So I'm happy with that. And of course this one works as well. So now we've just got the front windows to worry about. Especially this one. This was previous owner. All these scratches also were here before I got the car. So we'll get this one window retinted because the rest of the tint looks good. But I ain't doing that until I replace the tape in here and replace the guides and get this window working good.